morning, guys. It's Atheo. What's up, guys? So it's another snow day. I'm just putting Syles to bed, so that is what's going on, you guys. Yep. What are you doing, Grace? Syles, what are you doing? You're closing sister and then sister in there. Close the door. Oh, you're closing the door on your sister in the oven? Be careful, Grace. What are you doing? Are you cooking your sister, Syles? Are you cooking your sister, Syles? Guys, I'm just going to work for a bit, just for a quick second because my manager called and just said, can you just check the doors because someone forgot to do all clear, so that's what's going on. They want me to do all clear just to make sure everything's cleared at the base, so that means like lock the doors, everything like that, to make sure everything's good. So yeah, I'm supposed to give him a call back and just do like that for him. So that's what's going on, you guys. Having lasagna, homemade lasagna. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, guys. Do give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow. Brand new video. Good night.